Hey guys, as you know, I'm a total Glock hater. I just got done at Rowdy's range at their indoor shooting range. I just dropped in a Apex trigger with a Ghost Edge 3.5 pound trigger connector, and I will have to say I am impressed. For the price, you're about $100, maybe a little bit more with the connector and the Apex trigger. My shooting has improved phenomenally. I think it's just the flatter trigger rather than the rounded one. I just get a better finger positioning on the trigger. I don't know, but I am way impressed. My precision and my groupings have improved dramatically with my 40. I feel like I can actually hit the broadside of a barn now. Definitely a buy for you Glock lovers out there. Definitely get the Apex trigger with the Ghost Edge 3.5 pound trigger connector. See you guys. Have a good day. Bye.